Is it possible to get good AI content at a cheap price? The answer is yes. I actually found out about Autowrite while I was going through my emails. I guess they did a mass outreach and it worked. This tool has 5 stars on Trustpilot website, and you can try it out for yourself by clicking the link in the video description. When you access the Autowrite website, you're directly taken to the content writer. I like this straightforward access. I'll try to write an article and let's see what I get. Step 1, I wrote a title, but the SAO advises that numbers 5 and 10 are optimal for search engines, so I complied. I entered a few keywords and it looks like it can translate into all languages, which is a great feature. Step 2, now you're redirected to the subheadings part where you can write them yourself, generate them using keywords, or let the Autowrite make them. Of course, I chose the third option, but the AI generated long subheadings, so I had to shorten them. I guess you can't do anything without a human touch. Step 3, in the last step, you choose your audience persona. They got creative with this, as you can choose whether you're writing to a nerd, ruler, lover, caregiver, outlaw. It's actually funny and interesting. And the last option is something I haven't seen before. You can choose whose style to mimic. I wrote J.K. Rowling. Now I'll get a wizard style article.
A few moments later.
Step 4. It wasn't long. It was like 20 seconds and my article was finished. In a world where the mastery of English is hailed as the golden ticket to success, it actually sounds like a Harry Potter novel. I must say, good job, Autowrite. I just want to mention that there's also an Appy available and a WordPress plugin. Also, it looks like this tool is still in development, so I bet it will get even better. This is actually a powerful content creation tool designed to assist businesses. Pros: simple interface, fast content generation, cheap, only $9 per month, has a free plan, translation to every language. Cons: free plan offers 1 article per day. My overall score is 4.3 out of 5. If you're looking for a cheap content writer, which also generates good articles, try Autowrite by clicking the link in the video description.